Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about if the Google Play Store is not working in your device Samsung A20e, how you can solve this problem. But before starting, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move toward our today's topic. If your Play Store is not working, like you're not able to download the apps or your Play Store is not working, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. So only you have to do is to follow the steps and watch complete video, and you will able to solve the Play Store problem in your device Samsung A20e. Let's watch the video.